Wait.
Thank you.
You look a little tired. Are your hands tired from writing all those deals?
Wait.
Typing out all those deals
See how we're going to do it.
doing today?
I have been very, very busy, but very
See how we're
much
gonna
energized
get that train.
to continue
Let's
doing
get
the
the
work
train.
that we're doing today.
Okay. Why should people not wait till tomorrow? Because they're gonna look back upon it and say, "I should have gone Sunday. I should have gone to Crawford Buick GMC."
The sale will end tonight.
Okay.
This type of sale that we're having has rarely ever happened.
It is!
The discounts that we're having right now are 50% on some select units. We have sales on new and pre-owned.
We're tracking we're
Right
like
now,
hurricane
today, the
chasers,
train
right?
come to
Yeah,
not be one of
storm
those
chasers,
people
but
that
we're
end up
train
saying,
chasers.
I should have gone.
By all means, come and take advantage of that. Like you say, the Buick Encore is very popular right now, going for about $15,777.
That is correct.
And also your
Well, turn this way.
GMC Terrain vehicle.
Yes.
We had a gentleman that bought a GMC truck. We were talking to him. His name was Joel, and he started calling his relatives and
Hurry
family to
up,
come on
Mike.
over to look at the Terrain. And I think they're coming by, and he was ecstatic with his purchase of the GMC truck.
When I'm the one that's doing all the financing and all the paperwork at the end. When I see the discounts, well, I myself called my family and said, "You got to take advantage of this." We've had people that come in that they were just wanting to look. They ended up taking 2 vehicles. That's how hot, unbelievable
2
the
vehicles.
discounts. Yes, we've had several that are buying 2.
And it's a today sale only. So until what time are you guys going to be
One
selling
way.
vehicles today?
Our store
You cannot
usually
turn right here.
close at 8 p.m. But sometimes with these sales, you never know. We'll be here until 12 o'clock if we have to, as long as we
Okay.
get the
The
people
light
that are
is
ready to
just
buy.
not
So
working.
the
with
last
us.
person leaves the lot, right?
Exactly. So
And
make
you got-
sure.
And you got a great selection. When I was coming in, I saw a great selection outside and a beautiful selection inside too.
Yes, you mentioned right now that we just have a couple with the Buick, but we have everything. We have from the Yukon, the GMC is also fit for
Where's that?
bigger families.
Dirt?
Right.
And then the Buick Encore is the one that I like to think of it as a graduation present for those who are graduating college. Those are great vehicles. Those are graduating high school for my son. Exactly is what one of the things that I wanted to do is to be able to get him a car that is affordable, great on gas, and
Look,
just
the
fit
guys
for
have
him.
the car.
You got a little bit of everything. You got the sporty look. You got people that want trucks. You want
Go ahead and get out
people that
right
want
there.
SUVs. Maybe more of a family vehicle. Maybe a more.
Whoa!
Take pictures the other way. That way. Cars are coming.
or black that really set off your
Look,
garden.
you can get
Not
that.
to mention your spring. Bring on spring color with Vigoro colored bark mulch. 3 bags, $9. Now at the Home Depot. More saving, more doing. Limit 60 per customer. Color selection varies by store.
Thank you for watching.